The Master of Food Science cover different aspects of chemistry, microbiology, safety, functionality of food at postgraduate level. In the Master of Food Science, there will be 8 subjects, which is equivalent to 100 credit points as compulsory subject. Along with these core subject or compulsory subject, we provide our students with a suite of elective subjects, which are related subjects. Like some students may take development in dairy technology or food politics or nutrition food or politics and nutrition in food, statistic or research development. Along with this structure, we enriched our degree with a major component, which is research project. At the end of the day, the main objective of our Master of Food Science to enrich students with the basic knowledge so they can start their career after graduation immediately. The population continues to grow, and this growing population from 8 billion to 10 billion require more food. More food require more food industry. Studying food science at master level is very important for students to develop their knowledge and understanding of food research. With the Master of Food Science, again, along with the understanding of this basic theory of chemistry, physics, microbiology, functionality, students take great advantage of the research project, because within the research project, students can start to clearly platform their future career. Some students may opt to choose a research project in functional food. Some students may be interested in microbiology or food safety or quality control. So it varies, and within the Master of Food Science, we try to help all students and meet all their demand. The special feature of the Master of Food Science at the University of Melbourne, firstly, we have the best well-known academic in their area, and they have been doing various research in different fields. Secondly, we have state-of-the-art laboratory in terms of research. We have state-of-the-art sensory laboratory, which doesn't depend only on human expression about testing food. We use biometric technology to read the facial expression, to sense the temperature, the heartbeat of the sensory panelists, and collate all these data to provide better feedback and better understanding of the acceptability or the level of rejection of a newly developed food. We try to link our degree with the demand of the food industry. We keep in direct contact with the food industry, saying, if you have any problem, let us know. We can allocate students to work in that problem, solve that problem within their major and minor research project. Studying food science at master level is very important for students to develop their knowledge and understanding of food research. Students have to complete 50 credit or at least 25 credit research project, meaning they have developed strong understanding of the basic science of food, as well as understood how to build a theory, build question about a research project, develop a proposal, go to the lab, execute the project with minor supervision from the supervisor. The research component at the Master of Food Science is slightly different from undergraduate level. Here we teach students to be able to develop their own research proposal. Undergraduate study, we give the chemical to the student, we tell them you need this. At master level, we ask students, now it is your role to tell me what chemical you need, how much you need, how much does it cost. We give them some hint, some direction, and we tell them go and think about it, do some literature review. So we would like the student to start working independently because they are postgraduate students. Again, when students reach that level, they feel proud of themselves. Now I can think about any other issue and develop similar research proposal. The demand for food science graduate vary from industry to industry, but it continues to grow. Our master food science graduate are mixed between international and local students, and finding job is not difficult. Some international students opted to stay in Australia and look for job. Local students immediately search for job even before graduation. We had some master students working in the cheese factory, for example, the Warrnambool cheese and butter factory. I have some students working in the chocolate factory. So job opportunity vary. Some students, in fact, working in the Food Victoria department, focusing on food safety and food quality because they develop their own program about general food safety for public. There is significant contribution of food scientists to this type of area. There are significant contribution of students with master degree to work in hospitals. In fact, I have one graduate ended up working in the human nutrition section in one of the hospitals in Victoria. The demand for food and the growing of food industry is continuing. More food require more food industry. And if you review the statistic, there is continuous initiation and the starting of a new food company and research institute from day to day.